Anushka, go ahead. What are you doing today?
Sir, today we are finding the resistance of galvanometer through half deflection method,
Oh,
for which we have done galvanometer, resistance box, keys, a battery and connecting wires.
okay. Can you connect the connections correctly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, better start connecting. Okay, better. Connect a negative terminal with the help of key. Now connect the other terminal of the key with the negative pole of galvanometer. Make sure the connections are perfectly correct, right? Because in case of losing, you cannot find the correct result. Now connect the positive or another terminal of the galvanometer with one end of resistance box. And with the another terminal of resistance box, connect positive terminal of the battery. All the connections must be perfectly joined. Okay. Now Tarang beta, connect the wire with the negative terminal of the galvanometer because we are connecting a shunt in parallel with the galvanometer with the help of key. So one terminal of the key is directly connected with the negative terminal, right? Okay, beta. Now Ayushi, connect the second terminal of the key with the shunt, and the remaining terminal is to be connected with positive terminal of the galvanometer directly. Okay, go ahead. After checking all the connections, we have to start the battery eliminator. Okay, so go ahead for starting the battery eliminator. Okay, Anushka. Okay, because of you have to check the connections properly, you have to insert the key, and you will notice a deflection. Okay, so is there any deflection?
Yes, sir.
It means the connections provided by you is perfect. Okay, now remove the key. Now Piyush, beta, insert the key. Now Priyanshu, insert the key. What are you observing? There is a large scale deflection in the galvanometer. Now remove required resistance from the resistance box. What is the deflection?
25.
25. You have to notice that for perfect calculation, you have to get a even number of deflection. Okay, either 24, either 26, because in case half deflection, there will be a half. Right now, remove the extra. Now, what is the deflection? What is the deflection you are noticing?
18.
18. So this is 18 deflection, and what is the value of resistance?
7000.
Okay, 7000. Okay, so in 7000 ohm resistance, you have a deflection of 18. Now, okay, now beta insert the key into the circuit. You will observe that there is a zero deflection in galvanometer.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you have to remove a required shunt from the shunt box, right? Go ahead. Okay, what have to you notice that is there any half deflection? For example, if I remove a resistance from shunt box that is 50, then you will notice there is a deflection of
9, 5, 5.
but you have to get a half deflection, that means 9 deflection. So you have to remove the extra keys. Now you will notice that there is a perfect 9 deflection, right?
Yes.
So on removing 100 ohm resistance, you will get
9 deflection.
9 deflection, that means half deflection. So the shunt value is 100 ohm.
100.
Now go to the calculations. Now here is a formula that is G is equals to RS upon R minus S. You have to use this formula to calculate the resistance of galvanometer. Now what are the values? That is 7000 ohm resistance. So write it here, 7000 ohm. And what was the deflection? That is 18. Okay, so what is the shunt value? 100. And what is the half deflection? That is 18 by 2, that is 9. Now to calculate, you have to do some calculation in this way, that G is equals to R. What is R? That is 7000 multiply 100 upon 7000 minus 100. So you have to calculate this value. So now after calculating, you will observe that there is a first value of galvanometer resistance, right? This is G. Now repeat this experiment until 3 observations, and after observing you have to find the mean of the value, and that is your answer. Okay, so this was the calculating the resistance of a galvanometer through half deflection method. Okay, take it.